Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Gardenak. And in this video I just wanted to take you through a small experience that I just had with my Oxalis plant. As you can see here, we are facing a lot of rains in this season, as this is not the rainy season, but before the winter we are having a lot of rain. So the quick experience what I had into my Oxalis is, here you see this plant I kept a little um, front end, then the shade, so it is having a lot of rains in this morning. So the soil is gets really over watered. I mean, in the rain the soil got really wet. It's too much clay here now, is very much. So this pot also not able to drain this water very quickly, so I was feeling this will be making a problem for this plant. So what I wanted to show you to prevent this, and what I had as experience, is keeping under the shade is really great, but sometimes you need to put your Oxalis plant somewhere where the it doesn't have any sort of like direct sunlight, and it should not get impact from rain, so you can control your watering for your special plants. What I had impact for the rain is only this pot and this, because this small body was struggling here by hanging, but I don't know, somehow it got also really over watered. That's because of rain, somehow the water appeared here, so it was like a little ahead of this sunroof, but I still believe that it got some impact from the rain. So the funny thing is, this little body is not having any sort of effect on this rain, because this is really in very much shade area. If I wanted to show, so it's really inside of this shade, and it's really smiling a lot, yeah, and it really looks happy. And inside I have some ZZ plant, that leaf is really bright and glowing, and there are some shut-in pothos that I'm trying to grow from few years back. So it's really better to keep this pot a little more inside, so the direct rain should not impact this one. And let's keep your plant safe during this rainy season, and before just winter you just need to keep checking your lovely plants and the best plants which are not be able to take a lot of waters and cold season. So this was the video at the moment, guys. If you have any sort of advice or queries, please do not hesitate to comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in next video.